a new weed eater. For real. An Echo. It's the Echo SRM 225, right? It's a little fella. Probably 21cc or something. I don't know. I wonder if it, yeah, 21.2 cc. So here's the deal with this new weed eater, weed whacker, trimmer, strimmer. What's the other one that you guys call it in Australia? Oh heck, the name eludes me. Not a pud whacker, not a poly whacker, not a whippersnapper, whipper something. Anyways, hi, all over the world, all the different names you guys. This thing is so light, my God. So this is a curb find from my recycling day yesterday. A client of the company I work for, or whatever, a resident of the city, whatever, I guess decided he did not want this anymore, so he put it to the curb with the rest of his recycling stuff. And so I snatched it up because I pulled on it and it's got compression. So it's dry as a bone in there. So what I'm thinking is they forgot to put gas in it. I'm kidding. I'm thinking probably bad gas, vacation home, out on the beach. Came back, couldn't get it to fire, drained the gas, threw it out to the curb. So let's check it out real quick, see if we get this thing fired up. A few things I want to look at before I even put fuel in it. I want to check the spark plug to see what the spark plug even looks like. We pull it out and it's got metal all over it, and I know why this guy put it at the curb. But I don't think that's going to be the case. It seemed like it had good compression. Spark plug's fouled really bad. Wire brush. Remember that video I did a couple weeks ago, Backyard Hell, with the Benny Hill music? Sorry if I'm not in the shot. We got to do that yard today. So let's try to get this thing working, not spend too much time on it. See if we can get this thing to fire up. We'll check the air cleaner next, see what we got going on in there. There's like chunks of carbon falling off this thing. You guys might notice a massive increase of my video qualities now. I finally made the investment that I've been meaning to do, and I got myself a new laptop computer. It's a Dell G8. Yes. Dell G8. It has NVIDIA GeForce video card, which is like one of the top of the line video cards right now. I know there's more specs you need to know, but I know that that's what's in it, is the top of the line, one of the top of the line video cards. It's got 16 gig of RAM. It's got a processor that's like screaming fast. So if you go back and watch the video that I put up Sunday, I was able to mow those 3 yards, video them in 60 frames per second, 1080p, shower, edit them, and upload them all well before dinner. The video actually saved in 40 minutes. Normally on my old computer, that video would have taken about 5 hours to save. It would have taken me about 3 hours to edit because of the glitching. And I couldn't have recorded it at 60 frames per second because my video card and processor in my other computer can't handle it. It would be glitching so bad during the edits, trying to play back my edits to see what I'm doing. It would just take forever. So we are now at 1080p, 60 frames per second, which is the highest quality that this camera can go, and I'm really not interested in going any higher. That's good enough. So now that I got that, I can start doing more things that I want to do in my videos too. So expect some good things coming. All right, well, let's see what we got. Smells pretty yucky in there. It doesn't smell like regular fuel. So I'm pretty sure they tried firing it up with some bad gas and really fouled out this plug. I'm almost willing to bet we're going to have this thing started really soon. And we'll give it a shot. See how it goes. See how it works out. So the next thing I want to check out is going to be the air cleaner. See what's going on behind here. Ooh, that's a mess. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Wow, you think that could be the problem? Holy crap. I don't even think I could. I mean, look at that. Alright, what I think we're going to end up doing today is getting it fired up, but not using it until I get a proper air cleaner, because that is terrible. Holy crap. I've never seen an air cleaner in that rough a shape. Yeah, there's nothing I can do with that. Jeez. That's horrible. Alright, well, let's just see if we can fire it up. Okay, I don't have any carbon choke spray because I used it all yesterday on my former father-in-law's lawnmower that I wanted to video the repair, but I couldn't. He couldn't get it fired up. The carburetor just had some dirt in it. I cleaned it out, took the jet out, cleaned it out, put it back together, and it runs good now. Still has a little surge, a little surge to it, but I told him when we have more time, because his second mower broke, so he was like, dude, I'm desperate, you know. So I told him when we have more time, I'll get it back and take the carburetor off, completely off, and really clean it, because it's still surging, so it's still got some dirt in the carburetor, but he can use it. I sharpened the blade for him too. So this is just some starter fluid, because I noticed it had some gumming in here. So I just want some of this to sit in the carburetor and degum it just a little bit. Next, we're going to put some nice ethanol-free marine gas with 2-cycle mix in the fuel tank. And we'll prime this thing up and see if we can get some fire. All right, well, we are ready to prime it up. Gas choke. Stop. Start. Starter fluid. Choke off, works good. Choke on, kills it. That tells me the carburetor's in good shape. No clogging. It doesn't need to be half choke or full choke to run. It's running wide open like it's supposed to. Man, screw it. We'll use this filter for now. Let's give this thing a go. All right, so here we go. Choke. They got the sticker upside down. Maybe that's why the guy fouled his plug. Start, prime. I need a new plug. Doesn't have a lot of power. The shield's pissing me off. It's in my way. But we'll keep using it. It's free. We are done with this yard. We did the bushes today, and I'm about to go do backyard hell. So you guys can check that video out. I'll link to it up here if you haven't seen it yet. But we got it mowed about 2 3/4 inches. Got it edged, got it weed-eated. Weed-eater worked good, but it just ran out of line. And I got to figure out how to put line in that thing, so I'm going to go back to my steel. But yeah, so there we go. We're done. Free weed eater. That's pretty cool. All right, I'll see you guys on the next one.
Tell me about the wisdom.